everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to talk about one of the easiest and most rewarding crops you can grow in your garden. Garlic is a fundamental ingredient in many cuisines around the world, and it's a great addition to many dishes. Not only does it add flavor, but it also has numerous health benefits. Plus, it's super easy to grow, and we're excited to share our tips and tricks with you. Preparing the soil. Before you start planting garlic, you need to prepare the soil. Garlic prefers well-draining, rich soil with a pH between 6 and 7. You can add some compost or organic matter to improve the soil's fertility and drainage. If your soil is heavy clay or sandy, you may need to add some amendments to get it garlic ready. Planting garlic. To plant garlic, simply break apart the cloves and plant them 4 to 6 inches apart and 2 to 3 inches deep. Make sure the pointed end is facing upwards and the flat base is facing downwards. You can plant garlic in the fall or early spring depending on your climate. In areas with cold winters, it's best to plant garlic in the fall, about 6 to 8 weeks before the first frost. In areas with mild winters, you can plant garlic in early spring. Choose always best garlic quality to grow and healthy bulbs or garlic cloves choosed. Caring for garlic. Garlic is a low-maintenance crop, but it still needs some care. Make sure to keep the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged. You can also add some fertilizer to promote healthy growth. Garlic is a heavy feeder, so it's a good idea to add some compost or well-balanced fertilizer to the soil. Mulching and weeding. Mulching and weeding are important steps in growing garlic. Mulch helps to retain moisture, suppress weeds, and regulate soil temperature. You can use organic mulch like straw or wood chips around your garlic plants. Weeding is also crucial as weeds can compete with garlic for water and nutrients. Make sure to remove any weeds by hand or with a hoe. Harvesting garlic. When the tops of the garlic plants start to yellow and fall over, it's time to harvest. Carefully dig around the plants, making sure not to damage the bulbs. Then lift the bulbs out of the ground and let them dry in a cool, well-ventilated area. This process is called curing, and it helps to develop the flavor and texture of the garlic. Storing garlic. Once the garlic is dry, you can store it in a cool, dry place. Make sure to keep it away from direct sunlight and moisture. You can also freeze or dehydrate garlic to use later. Frozen garlic is perfect for cooking, while dehydrated garlic is great for snacks or adding to recipes. Tips and variations. There are many different types of garlic to try, from elephant to silver skin. You can also use garlic scapes, which are the curly green shoots that grow from the top of the bulb. They're a great addition to many dishes, and they're delicious sautéed or roasted. Common pests and diseases. Like any crop, garlic can be susceptible to pests and diseases. Some common problems include aphids, spider mites, and fungal diseases. Make sure to inspect your plants regularly and take action if you notice any problems. That's it for today's video on how to grow garlic. We hope you found our tips and tricks helpful. Garlic is a fun and rewarding crop to grow, and with these tips, you should be able to have a successful harvest. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more gardening tips and videos. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below and we'll do our best to respond. Happy gardening!